Hey Hub Heroes, this is Jorge Fuentes from the Sidekick Strategies team, and today we're going to take a look at how to merge contact records inside of HubSpot. There are a couple ways to do it, so let's dive right into it. So we're going to log into HubSpot, and on the left hand side we're going to go into the contacts sections. I'm going to go to contacts, CRM, contacts, and then there's two ways to do it. So one way is we go into the actions button on the top right hand corner, actions, and go to manage duplicates. Now if I do exactly that, I can actually go ahead and merge this contact, which is the only one showing up, and click on review, and then I would be able to select what specific data I want to overwrite, or if I just want to overwrite the whole record, I would select it and click on merge. And so I won't do that right now, because then I'll show you how we'll actually merge that one contact if we want to go in another specific way. But this is one of the easiest ways to do it. Find that contact in the duplicate section, and even if sometimes it doesn't show up here, we'll click cancel. We'll actually go right on the left hand side to the contacts section, and I'm actually going to look for Jorge Fuentes in this case. So Jorge Fuentes, right, my own record, and you will see those two come up, right? And so what I'm actually going to do is merge this record into this other record, right? So what I'm actually going to do is go into this record right here, the Jorge Fuentes record. This will be kind of like the main record, and then I'm going to click on the actions here and click on merge, right? So this is a very specific way to get there. Now it is very similar to what we would accomplish in the duplicates, in the manage duplicates section, but in here we'll just directly merge the contact. I'm going to find Jorge Fuentes and merge it into the Jorge Fuentes with an icon right here. And so I'm just going to click on merge, and now that merging of that contact will happen very smoothly. So actually you will see this is now the merged record, and you can actually see the contact over here, the logo, the email, all of that info is now there. And if we click on the activities tab, we'll actually see that I actually merged this contact into this contact at this particular point in time, and that's pretty much all we need to do to merge our contacts within HubSpot. And that's pretty much all it takes. Remember that this is a feature from HubSpot that comes natively across all of its products and plans. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at, so go out there and be the Hub Hero that your organization needs today.